differences.
I bet it sounds like there's no music in the video. It just looks like she's doing this all on her own.
Do you want to be the boy or the girl right now? No, it's so hard.
Yeah.
Okay, well, you're the boy 'cause you're singing right now.
Oops, what'd I do?
Differences between
Wait for it.
Jordan and Rock.
Wait for it.
Wait for it.
Slow-mo right now.
It's coming.
I just took that.
It's coming.
I just took that from the hook.
And I owe it all to you, you. It's coming.
Because jazz.
Dirty bit.
Listen, I'm trying to tell you. Jazz is
Oh my
distinguished from rock and funk music because rock and funk typically have. Oh, this is rock and funk.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Say it, Amanda, say it.